Simultaneous vacuuming and mopping in one go. DEEBOT 920 efficiently cleans your home by vacuuming and mopping simultaneously. With a 240 ml water tank, its capacity could handle the whole house cleaning. You can switch the water amount by mobile app according to different needs. The Ecovacs Home app enables you to adjust the water level of the mopping. Smart Laser Navigation Multi-Floor Mapping, Smart Navi 3. 0 enables DEEBOT Robot Vacuum Cleaner to efficiently navigate through your home and map your floor plan to your smartphone using laser technology. So you can select specific areas you don't want the vacuum to clean, and where you want it to clean. DEEBOT can store up to 2 different maps, perfect for multi-level homes and multiple cleaning spaces. No-go zones carpet detection, virtual boundary for not only vacuum, but also for mopping now. By using the Ecovacs Home app you can create unlimited virtual boundaries, restricting the robot from cleaning certain areas. 2x suction power up automatically, when the robot reached to carpet. A new generation of carpet detection technology can automatically identify carpets and floors, and actively avoid carpets and mats when mopping the floor. Strong climbing ability optimized brush design. Combined with improved wheels, DEEBOT OZMO 920 can easily cross obstacles like door sills up to 0.79 inches. The Floating Brush 2.0 By using new suspension design, together with long-short design on brush, it can sweep up to 4 mm deep cracks. Top reviews from the United States. Intelligent Genius Robot. Wow, this robot has the best function I ever used before. I actually had one same brand 4 years ago. It is still in good quality, but I bought a new duplex house. The old robot isn't smart enough to clean upstairs, so I found this one. The multi-floor function is so intelligent. It won't fall down to the floor. Wow. And the suction power is great. I didn't even know that my bedrooms had that much dusts until I saw the result. So happy with it. Highly recommended to everyone.